Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So today we're doing my first knee-high boots unboxing that I have done in quite a minute. I love boots. They're honestly one of my favorite things to wear, but they're a little bit harder to acquire than 1,000,001 pumps. So I hope you all will cut me some slack over my lack of boots in my collection, but hopefully this will help make up for what I have been lacking, and maybe we could just enjoy something new together. So let's just go ahead and tear into this biggin. That just might become a channel tradition because I like that word for some reason. It sounds so silly to me. Where if I unbox a boot, I just say it's a biggin because the boxes are huge and awkward. So I will probably set the lid down and unbox her like this, and then maybe, just maybe, I can actually get this taken care of and unbox a boot without having to fight with the packaging. So let's cross our fingers, say a little prayer, do whatever you gotta do. Maybe I can get through this. But for those who are watching and are actually interested in the boot, which I hope a decent amount of you are, this channel's really about shoes, not really about me. But let me go ahead and just tear the first guy out of the box. Now, as I was saying, if you just hit click, you wanted to watch, you didn't care what it was, you just happen to like me, then great. This is the Silla Eva 120mm boot, and I believe the color was cherry red. It's some sort of deep burgundy. I tried to roll with the burgundy theme, but I didn't quite match it all the way. We'll get over that. But I think we can get over it pretty quickly considering this. So we're just gonna roll with it. But you guys should know, if you know me, if there's anything I like, it's this sort of kid leather. I'm really taking a liking to just that kid Napa leather lately. It's the most comfortable thing for me to deal with and to put on my own feet. But I've been quite enjoying that, and honestly I've also been enjoying just how crazy easy these things are to get on and off. Now, if you guys were with me during my Condora unboxing, I believe I said to you guys it takes about 20 minutes to get these puppies on and off. It's a little bit of an ordeal just trying to get in and out of them. These, there is no ordeal. This is all ease all the time. They're great. Now, I don't know how they're gonna feel actually going out and about in them, but eventually we'll find out. We'll see. I'm very interested in trying these out because this will be my first time in a 120 brand new that comes with grip on the bottom. If there is something that I am not nuts about in the luxury shoe world, it's when they paint on the sole, and that can create an issue with getting enough tread so that way you're not slipping and sliding. So these, it's nice, it's rubbery, it's built in. It doesn't feel like I would have to go run out and get these resold, which to me, that is an excellent sign of a designer that actually cares about their product and people's experiences in them. So overall, the only thing I'm concerned about with these shoes is how is this 120 going to feel in comparison to how it would feel like wearing a Socate. We shall see. I don't know. But let's go ahead and get this guy's buddy out because I think it's looking awful lonely. It needs its partner, its buddy. Let's see if I can get it out without making a big old mess or somehow messing my new pretty boots up. But here we go, we have the pair in their entirety. I could not be more excited because these were purchased for me with the intention of just showing off a really nice quality boot with some of the most supple leather I have ever had the privilege of having in my hands. I would like to consider myself fairly experienced in the luxury shoe world. So when I felt these, and my goodness, the soft. Like, I know I'm sure that people have said, oh, the leather, it's so buttery. No, this is what they mean when they say buttery leather. I would say that it's comparable to a Louboutin Kid as far as the actual leather is concerned, but it's got the edge, it's softer. So now I'm thinking, after these, do I want to maybe delve into Silla a little bit more? I would like an Eva 120. If I could find it in a black croc, that would be great, but I'll just have to make do with what I got. I cannot complain here. But I think that will about do it for the YouTube version of this unboxing. I will be doing an unboxing for Patreon if anyone would be interested in seeing these with some outfits that were so generously given to me to go with the boots, because I have the best subscribers everywhere. So if you would like to further support me on Patreon, regardless of whether or not you buy me boots, then I would appreciate if you guys wanted to go support me on there. I also sell clothes on Poshmark myself. Occasionally I sell some shoes on there. Occasionally, not all the time. If you would like to further support me, I'm trying to hit 10,000 followers on TikTok for obvious reasons. Hasn't happened yet, but we will get there one day. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I know I'm missing some part of the spiel, but forgive me, I've been sick a little bit and I'm just worried about new boots. So I gotta do it. I have to go ahead and try these on for you. So let's go ahead and just get into this try on. So I will see you guys in the next pair of shoes.